Hey everybody, we've got a Play-Doh can heads Star Wars Millennium Falcon. Are you guys ready to open this?
Yeah!
Let's do it. Let's just give it a quick little spin for everybody at home. Whoa, it's gonna be so cool.
It's gonna be so big.
Let's do it, kids.
Okay.
Oh, do we need scissors?
No.
No, we will not use scissors. Dump it, Jack. It's the Falcon. I heard it once made the Kessel Run in some number of parsecs, even though that's a unit of distance.
Shoot here! I'm gonna shoot!
Sweet.
What is this called?
It's called a Millennium Falcon.
No, I mean, what is that?
That's the Play-Doh squisher. Ruthie, what are you opening there?
I'm opening the Play-Doh.
Cool. Oh my goodness, is that Han Solo?
Yeah. What's he called?
He? Well, I think that's Greedo, isn't it?
No, it's Princess Leia.
Princess Leia.
What's this guy called?
Oh, it's Darth Vader. What a villain.
Our favorite.
Who?
Chewbacca.
What a Wookiee.
Wookiee. He's a bad guy. He's going to be trapped. Luke, you are my son.
Spoiler alert.
Mom, Jar.
What do you got there, Ruth?
I got the pieces. Open the Play-Doh.
Oh, I sure can. While Ruthie opens up the final pieces, let's open Luke Skywalker. Hey, Jack, I think you can open this now. Get it.
Yes. Ooh, fresh.
Oh, smell the fresh Play-Doh. That's the best part. Oh, I love it.
That's not best. Guys, did you notice something new about Jack? He got a haircut.
It's just so cute.
Play-Doh.
Daddy might have missed a few spots. Ruth, can you tell us what you're doing here?
I'm trying to match this up to the playset goals.
Do you think we're supposed to read the directions?
I don't think there's any directions.
What are you going to do, Jack?
I'm smashing it.
Oh, show us.
Smash.
What does it smash into?
Smashing Play-Doh. I'm going to open Princess Leia and put
Go for it.
Smash it in the compactor. Look what this turned into.
Show us, Jack.
It turned into a yellow lab.
Can I see? A yellow lab? Like the dog? Like Molly?
Turned into a lab like...
A yellow lab like this? She's just so white.
Yellow.
Oh, what are you doing, Jack? Do you have like a little mold?
Seems doesn't right. I'm making smashing. I'm opening Darth Vader. And then let's smash. Let's smash.
I find your lack of Play-Doh disturbing. Apparently, no reaction.
I got you. I'm gonna fight you with my lightsaber. I have a lightsaber.
Wow. It looks like part of a truck that got ripped off. Awesome lightsaber.
And look at this. What is this called?
What is it, Jack? Can we see?
It's for making droids.
For making droids? Like who? Who's a droid?
R2-D2.
Do you like R2-D2? Do you like droids?
Yeah, but he's my friend. R2-D2 is my friend. He helps me fight bad guys.
Jack, do you often encounter bad guys?
And then we have to make his mouth.
Oh.
His
Okay.
mouth.
Oh, he's got a laser?
Yeah.
That looks like a Dalek, not a R2-D2 droid.
That looks like a R2-D2 droid.
I hope he's a lot nicer than the Daleks.
We're showing for R2-D2. He sits.
Show us. Put him wherever you want. Oh, there's a lot of really cool molds on here for sticking the Play-Doh in.
Put him right over here.
What's going on, Ruth? A blaster?
Yep.
Oh my.
Don't.
That's a pretty droopy looking blaster. Boy.
Smush. Smush the Play-Doh.
Oh boy, we're already mixing colors. That didn't take long.
Oh boy. You have to mix the pink. Really? Ripped in. Look what I squashed. Oh no!
What is it?
I have a stripe later.
A stripolator?
Where's the box?
Oh, we want to see that.
That's a Millennium Falcon.
Oh.
I made a Millennium Falcon.
The Millennium Falcon? You made a Millennium Falcon out of a Millennium Falcon? Wow.
This is the big Millennium Falcon.
And I'm looking at
This
the
is
little
the
one.
daddy Millennium Falcon, and this is the baby Millennium Falcon.
Wow.
Ooh, I have an idea. How do we make a droid? I'm making one right now.
Make the droids what, Jack?
Tummy. Making
Droids have tummies?
Making R2-D2's head. And then make his tummy.
And it goes right there.
I'll make his head. Droid.
Oh, Star Destroyer.
No, I'm making one.
You gonna make one? Can I make a
Wait,
TIE
what's
fighter?
that? TIE fighter?
Jack, will you help me?
You make it right
A
here.
yellow and orange TIE fighter?
Well, you know.
Festive.
Me one. Look what I made. I made a Millennium Falcon. Smash.
Let's see. Wow, a tie-dye TIE fighter.
I can't make TIE fighter noises.
Ruth, what do you have?
Star Destroyer.
That's a small Star Destroyer.
Mine's a Steam Destroyer. Mine's a Steam Destroyer.
A steam destroyer?
Yeah.
This is the steampunk version of Star Wars?
Crush. I crushed him. I crushed him. He's alive. Ooh.
Oh, we got a whole squadron going on over here.
And then, where's mine? Right here. What's Mega Star Destroyer? That's remember? Here's
the TIE Fighter spot.
A Star Destroyer.
Look, I made you one.
It's a good Star Destroyer. Close. How do you lift it up? This is a terrible TIE fighter. I'm gonna TIE fight you.
You're gonna TIE fight her?
Let's turn him into a TIE fighter.
What's the name of the... I can't say this on camera. Oh gosh, the bad base. No, Dad, do not get me on camera. I can't believe I can't remember this right now.
Look,
You know that destroys Alderaan?
Look what I made up.
What's it called?
The Death Star?
Death Star. I'm trying making a Death Star.
A Death Star? That's no
let's
small
start making
moon.
into
It's
Star.
a space station.
I just totally failed my Star Wars test.
Mine's the lamest one. Transform him.
It looks like some kind of Christmas ornament.
Smash him. What I made for you. I made you a TIE fighter.
Thank you, Jack.
Is this a cool toy, guys?
Yes.
The whole family's having fun making
I'm a lane fighter.
a fleet.
Turn him into a lane. What? Transform him.
Okay.
This isn't making a very good Death Star.
Well, it's not really to scale.
Meh.
I think I might be making an X-Wing.
An X-Wing or a waffle?
Well, hang on. Give me a minute.
Can you make an X-Wing for me?
I can't really tell what that is. A
Holy-
sword?
look at the mold.
Hey, viewers at home, if you think that's an X-Wing, put it in the comments below. Or write that Jack and Ruthie's mommy is very silly.
What else would it be? I'm looking for Earth.
What should we smash?
We
I
should
think
smash
this brings up
everything.
This is definitely not an X-Wing. How could you think that's an X-Wing,
Well, then
Mom?
what is it?
Ew!
Doesn't smell like an X-Wing.
It turned into...
What
I
is
don't know
that?
what he smells like, but I think it smells like a Chewbacca.
What is that, Jack?
Thing. To the rescue! Transform them.
Wait, is this a lightsaber?
Let's No, this is a lightsaber. No, let's
Oh yeah, it's totally a lightsaber.
transform
What's
'em.
this then?
Let's transform them.
Oh, I just made a realization.
Look what I turned
It was
into.
a lightsaber for a minute.
All right, so you can see everybody that the Millennium Falcon has these molds on it for crafting various items. There's a Star Destroyer mold. Here's a TIE Fighter mold. Mommy's making a lightsaber.
For me.
Yeah, it is for you, Jack.
Should we put it on? What should we put him on? Him? Into something.
Cool. Well, you can see we made some very realistic looking spaceships here.
We forgot the X-Wing.
Okay, put it down. Okay, here is our harvest, our bounty.
Bye, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm making a pizza.
That sounds like a great idea. Bye, everybody.
This makes you to make some pizza.
You making Pizza the Hut?